It's almost like praying.
Lin-Manuel Miranda, Jennifer Lopez, Camila Cabello, and more are lending their voices to help Puerto Rico's recovery effort. The new song, titled Almost Like Praying, features 22 artists and will donate all proceeds to the Hispanic Federation Unidos Disaster Relief Fund. Hurricane Maria left 1 in 8 Puerto Ricans without electricity. Lin-Manuel and others have expressed their beliefs that President Trump has been slow to help the island recover. The president tweeted, "The mayor of San Juan, who was very complimentary only a few days ago, has now been told by the Democrats that you must be nasty to Trump." Lopez and Lin-Manuel were quick to come to her defense. Lin tweeted, "You're going straight to hell, Donald Trump. No lines for you." And J-Lo posted a photo of the president golfing while the mayor of San Juan was, quote, waist deep in sewage. For more information or to donate to Puerto Rico's recovery effort, go to HispanicFederation.org.